Codes, lots of numbers, nothing to do with roulette. Let's start out with numbers 17, 18, and 19. One of the biggest things about 17, 18, and 19 is that brought me to think that it's different from any other one is although in English we would say 14 starting at 13, right? We wouldn't start at 12, which is 2 dice, but we start at 13, meaning teens, all right? But in French, we differentiate, okay, at 17 because we go 17. At 16, we go 16. It's one word. 14. We're always ending in ZE, ZE. 31 total, or 1 and 22. The reason I say that is ZE is the 26th equaling to 8, and the E is 5. And that's silver matrix and represents number 2, 40 and 13, or 44 area space. Why 40 and 13? 8 times 5, 8 plus 5 will equal 44 for the word teen. 17, 18, and 19, because they say 10, 7, 10, 8, 10, 9, they differentiate it going G, JH, and JI, like Giad. They're specifically noted together. I don't know what the code is in there yet. I would really have to put it into a machine and create it all. But what I want to just show you right now on paper, okay, is that when we're going 17, 18, 19, we have combinations of, let me get off again, my autofocus. We have 1, 2, 5 memory, electric company. The next time we're going to see anything like this, it's 1 and 2 that will create 5. 1 times 2, 1 plus 2 will create the total of 5. Okay, this, okay, is below. Everything is below. This one is above. On the other, what I'm saying is on the other side of 5, right? Anyways, let's not look at this. This would be 17 all the ways to 17. This way can be done on a cube. This can be done on a cube. All of these on a cube. This one, they're all done on a cube. 8 and 7 cannot be done on a cube. It takes 2 cubes to create these, just showing you a little bit of the inside look. Before anything begins, and this is the way the Fibonacci begins, 1 times 2, 1 plus 2 will be 3 and 2. 2 times 3, 2 plus 3 will be 5 and 6. And this will be minus minuses, they'll all be 1, right? Then we get here 5 and 6 equals to 41. 41 minus 19. This is the wolf. This is your DNA. This is your 41. This is your AD. Your number 3, 4 is calculated. Here's your number 3, but your number 4 is calculated over here. Your 1 by 1, 1 plus 1 is 2 and 1. 2 times 1, 2 plus 1 is 3 and 2. That's your 5. So there's 2 ways to make 5. It's 3 and 1, 2 and 2. Sorry. 3 and 1, 2 and 2. Your first way to make 4. Your first way to make 5 is 1 and 4, 2 and 3. So if we are using these numbers, we're going to look for 2 and 3 in other positions. 1 and 1 is 2. 1 and 2 is 3. Different ways to make 2 and 3. 1 times 2 will create your 3. Showing you positions. 1 and 5 is 6. 2 and 4 is 6. 3 and 3 is 6. 1 and 6 is 7. 2 and 5 is 7. 3 and 4 is 7. So everything is implicating 1, 2, and 3 up the board. Now we get to number 8. Okay, we get to number 8. It's a little bit different. 1 and 7 is not on a cube. They are the minimum of 1 cube and 2 cubes total, or the reverse of 1 cube. 2 and 6 is on a cube. All these are on a cube. 2, 6, 3, 5, 4, 4. On a cube is 3 and 6, 4 and 5. And can be found over here, 3, 6, 4, 5, 3, 6. And we'll create the word love. It's found in number 18. That's where we find it, in number 18, as we find it in number 9. In 17, we will find 3 and 5, 2 and 6. We will find 3 and 5, 2 and 6, 1 and 7. 8, as well as 17, because 1 plus 7 equals to that 8. In 19, do we have 19? 19 was over here. Where will we find 7 and 3? We'll find 7 and 3 in the 10 area. 7 and 3 is in the 10 area. This right? This 10 will equal to 1 will equal to 19. 1 and 1 is 2. 1 and 2 is 3. 1 and 3 is 4. Just with these numbers over here, this is where Sator Arpo thing comes in, all talking about 19. How do we create 19? It all starts off by 1 and 3. 1 times 3, 1 plus 3 is 3 and 4. 3 times 4, 3 plus 4 is 12 and 7, 19. Here's where your 3, 4 shows up. It shows up in number 7, equaling to your gateway of A and I. Equaling to the heavens J and H, Jack Heaven. What is Jack? Is it a plugin? I don't know. This is love. All love passes, according to what I understand, through the red sun of man creation and the sun. When a big red sun, Venus Heaven. 81 stands for Venus. 73 inside 10 or 37 is Nibiru. So this is the basic understanding of numbers. And I don't know if I should just leave it at that, if I should go on. Let me see if I have anything on the back of this page. I have number 12 on the back of this page, 1 and 11, 2 and 10. 2 and 10 is my electric gates. In pool, the 2 and 10 are the opposites of each other. In 3 and 9, we have the Saturn sky. In 4 and 8, we get Pluto. In 5, 7, we get the electric moon. And in 66, we get man's rotation. Man side of the moon. 12 equals to Skylab. 1 and 2, 12th letter is L. 1 and 2 is AB. And this is 21, Labu, Skylab. 40, 11, and 19. We're at 11 and 19, right? Which is 30 plus 11 equals to 41. Minus 11 equals to 19. 11 and 19, which can also, we'll recreate this. That's where it comes from. It comes from the numeric value of 5 times 6, 5 plus 6, right? Equals 5 and 6. At the same time, 1 times 5, 1 plus 5 will equal to the same one. Venus, Earth equals to partial what's created in Mars, 5 and 1. How numbers come together, 5 and 1. We want a minus 1 from here's 5 and 1, plus 1, minus 1 from 5 plus, we get 6 and 4. Where is this going to take you? Big question, right? So we end up with these numeric values. HD Pluto equals area space and equals to 20. 80, your communication in the teens, something probably to do in the mind. And I'm thinking it's the sex gland, all about something to do with the sex gland. It's deaf. It doesn't hear. The eyes see. The sex gland reacts. Okay. 3 times 9, 4 times 9, 5 times 9, 6 times 9. We did 8 and 9 as they relate together. Okay. And we get 32 and 12. 40 and 13 equals 44. 84 and 14. This will equal to 12. 1 and plus 2 is 3. 3 and 5, electric company, is the passing between the heavens of man and the 7th gate. Here we have 2 and 7, the red sun, connecting G and H, which is the heavens, which is also G and A in the piano, because the piano is the 8th key. We start over again. And when we start over again at the 8th key in piano. 8 and 8 is 64, and this is your phi, and something to do with the connecting skies. And this is your gateway in the red sun, and this is your high heaven. 2 to the power of 3, 3 to the power of 2. We're going to leave it at that. Raphael 7286 and a constellation of Pegasus. There's just so many things that it's so hard to explain. Samurai, ocean intelligence. 1 and 9, this also has to do with electric, right? Safety something. Mare means ocean. Ray is the heavens angel intelligence. Ra, I. We're going to do this next. 8 and 5 is 13. 1 and 7 is 8. 1 and 2. I forget where this comes from. I'm going to try and figure it out. Raphael 72, thank you for watching. 86.